Hello, welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 27th of March 2017. In March, the Eurozone economic growth gained momentum, bolstering optimism over the region in the face of Brexit. Businesses across the Eurozone ramped up activity at the fastest pace in almost 6 years as per the market survey. Thus, on Friday, Euro appreciated by 0.18% and settled at 1.08 against the US dollar. In trade today, the Euro has gained further by 0.6% owing to the weaknesses in the US dollar to trade at 1.0863 against the dollar. JSW Steel Limited of Jindal Group, an integrated steel manufacturer, is setting up a mega steel project of 10 million ton capacity at Jagat Singhpur district, Odisha. A captive power plant of 900 megawatts capacity is also being proposed along with the steel project, and the total investment will be rupees 50,000 crore. The investment proposal came after the Korean steel major POSCO backed out of its steel project in the district. The Indian Steel Ministry is imposing circumvention duty on steel products originating from 7 destinations in order to protect the domestic steel manufacturers. The countries on which duty is to be imposed are China, Korea, European Union, South Africa, Taiwan, Thailand, and the United States. The Directorate General of Anti-Dumping and Allied Duties is imposing anti-dumping duties on cold rolled flat products of stainless steel with widths ranging from 600 mm to 1250 mm. Metals Update has released the Indian Copper Outlook 2020-21 Copper Out of the Pit. The report contains all you need to know about the Indian copper market. Indian refined copper consumption, production and price forecasts have been provided till the year 2020-21, and a one-time purchase gives you access to all future updates in 2017. So hurry to book your copy now. Thank you for listening. Do join me again tomorrow for latest updates from the metals market. Do visit metalsupdate.com for more information. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.